So, we just want to tell you, this is the evidence of this hippopotamus. This is the fucking evidence of hippopotamus. That Leandro is an elephant. What do you think about that, Bolin?
I think he has the bad karma in his life, and his wife gonna kick his ass.
Yeah, poor his wife. Poor. I think that. What do you think of me, actually?
No, he's a nice guy.
Yeah, he's a very nice guy. He's a very.
When he's awake.
Yes. He's a nice guy when he's awake. Usually people are nice when they are sleeping, but he's nice only when he's awake. You know what I mean? It's just like that, you know. People are nice when they're sleeping and they are bad when they are awake. But this guy, when he's awake, he's a very nice person. When he's sleeping, he's fucking elephant, man. This is crazy. What do you think?
I don't think anything. He's a cool guy when he's awake, you know. But anyway, have a good dreams, Leandro.
Okay, sorry.